Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Flash Custom Transfers brought to you by Straight Content. I know it's been a very, very long time since you guys have heard from us. There's been a lot of things happening, transitions with Chelle and I between our DTF business, Flash Custom Transfers, and Flash Printing Depot, our equipment business. But like we let you guys know in a lot of previous videos, way back in 2023, if you've been following, that we were transitioning fully into manufacturing DTF equipment. Basically, moving forward, we will be completely focused on our DTF shakers, fume extractors, and we also have a line of printers that are coming here soon. So today's video, I just want to let you guys know that although we will no longer be manufacturing DTF transfers, we still have a lot of equipment and consumables and other stuff like that available for you if you wanted to get into DTF at a very, very, very low price. So again, Flash Custom Transfers itself, the entire business is still for sale. We had a few people reach out, some inquiries, some negotiations. Everything is still pending, so nobody has made, once payment is made, we will go public, but until that is done, the whole business is still for sale. With that being said, our great friends over at Houston DTF Transfers, which is a great website, I will go ahead and click them. All you have to do if you want any DTF transfers, UV DTF or Apparel DTF, just click the link like I just showed you. Click the link right here. It'll take you directly to their website. They're here in Houston, so if you want local pickup, they have everything available. They're ready to go. If you need anything, you can just go right to them. So just wanted to let you guys know that Flash Custom Transfers is for sale. Just a little tidbit just to let you guys know as well. I'll make this public. No, you know what? I'm not going to make it public. I'm not going to make it public. There's another website for sale, but I'm not going to make that one public yet. I do own it. It is up and running, but I'm not going to make it public yet. I'll talk to my team and decide whether or not we want to make that public, if it's for sale or not. It is definitely for sale, but I don't know if I want to make that public. People who know. I've talked to a few people, had a few offers, but anyway, moving forward. So to let you guys know our clearance, to start, we have our clearance DTF unit. So these units right here as well, and I'll go ahead and click this, you come to Flash Custom Transfers. All of these units that you're looking at are still brand new in a box in our warehouse in Dallas. So they're still available. These are very inexpensive units. Again, these brand new run you, like if you go to any dealer in the United States, these are going to run you no less than $6 to $8 grand for these shakers. We are liquidating everything, clearance sale and everything. We only want to focus on our big smart shaker. That's what we want to, it's not physically big. I'm just saying we just want to focus on our smart shaker. That's what we want to do with Flash Printing Depot. We are pouring all of our resources into Flash Printing Depot. We have our UL certification assessment coming up here soon. So we will be 100% UL certified. That, everything takes money. So we're putting clearance sales on everything. Both of these, this is a compact shaker. Again, this is just a picture. This will come completely brand new in a box, shipped to you wherever you need to go. We have that all set up. So if you were to buy it here, no matter where you go, if we go to checkout, shipping is, once you enter your address, shipping is $400 in the continental United States. So not Alaska, not Hawaii, not Puerto Rico and stuff like that. If you need a shaker for $2,500, or if you're in the Dallas area, or even Texas area, come by, pick it up from the warehouse. We'll sell it to you $2,500 out the door. This shaker. And then if you like the built-in filtration, you will need a fume extractor for this one, which we have right here for $1,300. Again, come make us a deal. Maybe you want 2 or 3 of them. You know what? Let me get 2 or 3 of them, maybe because you can sell them for a profit. Let us know. We are open to negotiations. We just want to move these units so that we can focus on scaling Flash Printing Depot. So a lot of businesses do this. This is just what we're doing. So we have about 10 units, maybe 11, because of a few that we have here in Houston. But I know in Dallas, I think we have like 10 at the warehouse. And then these, we have about 20. Yeah, I think we have about 20 or more of these. Again, still brand new, still in the box. We have everything that goes with it. These are brand new. These aren't used. units. I think we have maybe one or two of these used and maybe one or two of these used if you want to, get an even cheaper price than 2,500. But again, we're telling you guys to please take advantage of these opportunities. If you can get a printer for pretty cheap, I know some places out there you can get a printer from overseas for like $5-6 grand, and then now you can get a dryer. This one's compact. This one's very small, fit through any door. This one's a little bigger. It's not going to fit through your average door, but if you are deciding to do it in your home, then this one right here doesn't need a fume extractor, but it has its own shortcomings. But if you're going to go with this one and a fume extractor, that's what I would recommend. I would recommend a fume extractor with either one of them, just because this right here is going to accept all the oil that you need and it'll be easy to drain. But again, you don't have to if you have your own ventilation system set up, whatever you decide to do. But these units are for sale. We're letting you guys know, come get them while they last. Come get them while they last. We actually haven't been making a lot of videos lately because we've just been so busy, but I decided to get online, put out this video for Straight Outta Content because we get a lot of people who see what stuff we have for sale. Also, heading back to Flash Custom Transfers, we also have our clearance sale on all of our consumables. So we just ordered a big amount of instant peel moving forward. So our 24-inch and 32-inch for Mamaki printers, and really the new Roland and Epson printer, they're also above 30 inches too. So the 30-inch film will also work there. We ordered a bunch of new instant peel film. So all of these gotta go. This is 24-inch instant peel film. I think we have a couple of rolls left. I have to check my count, but we're selling this for $60. $60 a roll plus shipping. Go ahead, take advantage of that right now. $60 plus shipping. Please go ahead, take advantage of that. Like, that's super cheap right now for instant peel, 24-inch, 328 feet. That's extremely cheap. Same thing for the 12-inch. Now, this is not instant peel, but this is still double matte. All of our film is double matte, period. We're not doing any of that clear stuff. We're not doing any of that single layer film. We only do premium top quality film. So, and again, it's still at the great price. We have it at 12, 24, and 32 in all of these. But moving forward, we will have only instant peel double matte film in all sizes. And then we also have our DTF powder. I think we only have like a few bags, so we're just getting rid of it for $25 as we're going. All new consumables, all new equipment. Everything is going to be brand new, and it'll all be listed here on the Flash Printing Depot website. So if you come over here, clearance DTF equipment, and then we will eventually add consumables and stuff like that. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that's what we have for sale from Flash Custom Transfers. Take advantage of all the equipment, take advantage of all the different sales, because this sale only lasts, it's only while supplies last. So take advantage of it now. If you've been looking to get into DTF, maybe you just are starting with film. Maybe you just get a couple rolls of film and then you're able to upgrade, and then you're able to add a shaker, and then you're able to add a printer, and then you're doing your own DTF and making your own money. Lord knows we have a bunch of videos on how to sell DTF transfers and stuff like that. So take advantage of it. Also, the digital downloads. I knocked the price down, the digital downloads for all of them. Obviously, you can get them individually if you wanted to. We still do have our graphic sales. So if you have any questions with vectors and stuff like that, just contact us at flashgraphics@flashcustomtransfers.com. But you see how everything right here is like $4.99, or if you come all the way up here to digital download pack, you can buy them individually. I would just say just get the whole pack for $15. You're going to get an insane amount of images. Let me click this right here and show you guys. I mean, these right here don't even represent all of the images that you're going to get, the digital images for all the different holidays. You're going to get our entire digital library, which is well over 10,000. I think I have like 10,000 on here, like the number, but it's more like 50,000. It's probably even more than that. It's a lot. We have a lot of digital downloads, stuff that we've never even made thumbnails for, stuff that we've just bought and just thrown up there. Basketball. We've been running this sale for a long time, but now because, it's at the end of Flash Custom Transfers, as we phase Flash Custom Transfers out and somebody else is going to take over it, who knows what they're going to do. So take advantage of it now. Like when businesses go out of business, or whenever they get consumed by somebody else, they sell off a lot of stuff. So we're telling people to take advantage. Like I said, $15 for this right here, and you're going to get every digital download that we have, which is all you do is buy it. It notifies us that you bought it. We send you the link. You just download whatever you want. we send you the link and you'll have it forever to download. On top of that, again, we will still provide graphic services. If Flash Graphics at Flash Custom Transfers ever goes down, like that email isn't going through to us, just email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. It's just that simple. You can always email us. If that's not that hard, because we have somebody to do all the graphic design work. So if you need vectors, background removal, resolution check, logo creation, or anything like that, just let us know. We'll still knock it out. Embroidery effect, just let us know. Right, here's our shaker, a video of our shaker and stuff like that. But here's our printer, which will be coming soon. We do offer printer sales. Everything is shipped from the manufacturer. So shaker sales, printer sales, everything is shipped from the manufacturer. It's just lean manufacturing. That's just what we're having to do in 2025. It's, with tariffs and everything going up, it's very difficult to keep inventory on hand. So we're trying to do some workarounds, or maybe even get into manufacturing here in the United States. But if you need any new equipment from Flash Printing Depot, contact us. This is all the equipment that we have. If you need any new equipment, we definitely have that. If you are a dealer and you happen to be watching this video, definitely look to become a dealer. Click the link. You can become a dealer. We can definitely negotiate. If you're a new company, or maybe you have a store and you're looking to become a dealer, contact us. Just fill this out right here. Contact us and say, hey, I'd like to become a dealer. I have a small apparel store in Michigan, and I'd like to get into selling equipment. I think that I can make some profit, from your equipment. Just let us know. Everything is different for different size dealers. We would like to know what you project that you can sell, because that's going to really determine the price, as everything, is always going up at the ports and stuff like that. So just contact us. We also have equipment financing. So if you are looking to purchase anything that we offer, whether or not it's used or not, just click right here to apply, and you can start the finance application with our guy, Andy, and fill it out. So we really want you, we're trying to cover everything for Flash Printing Depot. Don't just think, oh man, I have to come out of pocket. Say you want all of our, okay. So say you want all of our equipment, like all of our clearance equipment. So you're like, look, how many units do you have? Hit the finance application, fill it out, type in everything that the total will be. Maybe you buy it low, then sell it high. It's really up to you. Again, we are open to negotiations. And again, if somebody were to come in and buy all of these, say they buy all 20, we'll ship it to you for free. We're not going to charge you shipping on top of it. And even these, all 10, or say you buy 5 at a time. But like I said, we are in Dallas. Everything is in a box. So we telling everybody, take advantage. Take advantage. I forgot how many we have of these. I think we have about 8 or 9 to match to go with every one of these. And again, everything is brand spanking new, fresh out the box. We have some used units too. If you want to maybe get one for $1,000, let us know. Just contact us at flashprintingdepot@gmail.com or ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Either email, just contact us. And again, if you want to become a dealer, go to flashprintingdepot.com, put your information in right here, send us an email. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this video.